Hello traders, let's get straight into these charts. Dow, major support area here, which we've touched at the lows. We're sitting on monthly R1. There's a little hammer in there. Hammers often get tested. If we hold here at the 400 level, we've got an hour and 10 minutes to go, and I expect at least to move into that level there tomorrow, and possibly we might wiggle around there and then come back up. And if we can break that 600 level, then I think we can make new highs. If we can't get through this ATMA, bear in mind the ATMA is up here. If we come into the ATMA and run over, then we're in trouble. But I would stay bullish. For now, stay bullish. Buy pullbacks. Okay, we just got way too ahead of ourselves up there, and we've just had a pullback. If we look at the channel of the Dow, it's a very nice wave action. We're in a box, been in a big box for a while. I can just get the box instrument. So it's common if we are going to break out of this box. This pullback here could be the key before we bust up and at least retest the top of that channel again. So what does that mean to you as a day trader or a swing trader? I would wait until we see how we close. If we close above 400, then try and get a pullback to 380, yesterday's low, and then with a stop under 330 to see if we can break up to those upper levels. Oil is a very interesting chart as usual. Invents tomorrow, so we've seen a lot of short covering ahead of invents. Oil in a big box, and if it's got the channel in oil, so from April 18th, June 25th, and now September 24th, this bottom of this channel has got bought. So this major support, monthly S1, has given us a hammer. So if we now break 104, I think at the very least we're going to retest 105, possibly 106, at which point I'd expect that to continue to the downside. And pound pairs, I had 3 stop outs today in various different charts, but I eventually got my head around what was going on. This is the pound yen. This 740 here was the Fed rate pullback area. This pulled back here after the Fed announcement, and then ran up into the next day, into the Thursday, and then sold, and here we are. So I bought 740, took it in a small time frame, and currently we've seen 860 in this afternoon session. I'm hanging on to that to see if that can push up through R2 and into R3. Again, what does that mean for you? I would look for a retest of the 60-minute hammer, which is 765. 765 or 770 is a good level to get in that if you're not in that, if he does pull back that far. And the pound US. Pound had real relative strength yesterday, and today when we dropped, again I had a stop out on this one. I like the bar here, like this channel support. I bought, I think it was 620, I can't remember. Yeah, I bought about 6:20 to 6:30. This 60-minute bar closed above the 50 MA and then rolled over. There was fib support, there was this trend line underneath it, all sorts here, so I thought I was going to get a good move and got stopped out. I think the key for that was we didn't close above the 8 and the stochastics was quite high in the 15 minutes. So there were a couple of things there that I could have looked out for and unfortunately missed. Euro, I would personally just stick to the pound pairs, just buy pullbacks in the pound US and the pound yen. I still think this euro might come all the way down to 426, but if we drop down there and then we drop to something like 440 or 426 tomorrow, and we can get some sort of buy signal in the small time frame, I would buy that. Pound Aussie dollar I like a lot. I think this one's going to rock. We could sometimes when you operate under a trend line like that, sometimes you just shuffle along to the side, and when you come in contact with the trend line, then you drop. But the fact we held the 8 today, to me suggests that my long stands a good chance. I will keep that long. We retested the daily hammer from the 19th, from the Fed day. Euro yen, looking good. But basically, next time we come up against a triple witch day, which is last Friday, it's the third Friday in March, June, September, December. There's so much money riding on these options contracts and futures contracts that you do tend to get a move into key areas and then a sell in the following week. And that's pretty much what we've experienced with this one. So next time we head towards a triple witch or a quadruple witch, I will give you a lot more warning. Okay, a couple of stocks that I've been interested in, and Barclays. That is a buy signal. New low, close above next day. 270 is a buy in Barclays. BG I was looking at earlier on. Yep, BG is a buy at 12,120. Rolls Royce had a good day. Ooh, right into those two moving averages, but above the monthly pivot. Nice move. Yeah, that is good. Excite is one I've been watching for a very long time, and that's a lovely move off this daily down here. This 102 or 100 was great. It's taken a while, but that's 25% up in about 6 weeks, I think. And Domino Pizza is hanging on, just hanging on. Got a little way extended up there. Man Group, taking its time to load. Not happy. I still like the weekly on this. Massive support at 82. So I'm keeping my eyes on that one. Certainly not happy at the moment. Telecity is coming back into play today. So Telecity is a nice stopping bar yesterday on this round number, and I think that is a buy at about 805. Not closed above the 8, so got to be careful. And even the 60-minute is not brilliant. So if I buy 805 tomorrow, if we can shuffle along here and start to break up, and make our way up to that monthly pivot. Okay, that's it, and thanks for listening, and see you soon.